So you're here to find out why in Visual Studio Code, your code is not auto-formatting. Now the reason for that is because you have a mistake in your code. Let's look at an example. Let's get rid of the bracket here. Let's try to auto-format, Shift-Alt-F. Did you notice that? Prettier, the extension I have to help auto-format my code, turned red, and it wouldn't auto-format my code. Why? There's a mistake. So let's correct the mistake. Then Shift-Alt-F. There, it's auto-formatted. So remember, if Visual Studio Code is not auto-formatting your code, either be Shift-Alt-F in Windows, or if you have it set up to auto-format when you save, it's because you have a mistake in your code. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment below. If you comment, I'll reply to your comment. Thank you.